What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Mark? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
And what up, Zachary? What's up? Thank you guys for being here, as always. Can you chart SMFL and VVPR, please, and thank you. Yes, for sure. SMFL, I'm actually still trying to, well, I was trying to short that one. I did not get filled, and looks like I won't get filled now. And VVPR, I shorted that yesterday and already covered. And I think we took a look at that yesterday, but sure, we'll look at those again. Alright. Cool. So today is Wednesday, May 17th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we are doing the show from Tendytown. Tendytown, let's go. Yeah, pretty bullish day here today. All major indexes in the green, all over 1%. So, yes, hope everyone made some fat tendies today. Myself, unfortunately, I did not make tendies today, I don't think. No, I did not. So, that's kind of unfortunate, but whatever. It is what it is. Didn't lose that much. So, okay, guys. Played them Tesla calls going into the investors meeting print. Is that today? The investors meeting? I haven't been keeping up. Yeah, good luck. Good luck. Hope those do print, for sure. And I will just say, this is not financial advice. If they do print, you know, don't get too greedy. You gotta hit the sell button at some point. Yesterday. Oh, so they already printed. They already printed. Got you. I didn't even see Tesla today. How'd that do? 4.4%. All right, nice, man. Congrats. Yeah, so I'm not sure where your expiration is, but, you know, it's never a bad thing to hit the sell button and take some profits. So congrats to you. And what up, 1010 and Koya? What's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Alright, so if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button, please, and thank you. Alright, so, yes, today we're doing the show from Tendytown. Yes, all major indexes in the green here. All over 1%, so pretty bullish day. Alright, so honestly, guys, so appreciate everyone for being here. A lot of people in here nice and early. But, yeah, another day where not much is going on. Not much news-wise, not much, stock-wise, price action-wise. So it should be another pretty short and chill show. Let's see what we got here. So, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Live Rainbow Bearing, my place today. Today we have only 2 articles. One about BitBoy Crypto, which is the popular, you know, crypto YouTuber. Been in some controversy lately, and in some more after today. And then one about the debt ceiling, or the debt default, default talks, or lack thereof, I guess. Yeah, so Corey's asking us what's with the market pump, and 1010 says debt ceiling talks didn't go terribly, so that's enough to rip. Yeah, that's probably a big factor, probably the biggest factor as to why the market pumped today. It looks like we will not default, which I've been saying the whole time. You know, shouldn't really worry too much about it, but yeah, it does look like now we are not going to default. Alright, so, yes, 2 articles, and then we will, yeah, 2 articles, and then today for the TA, as you see in the title, we only are going to do XELA. Actually, hold on a second. I mean, to be honest. Alright, yeah, we'll do XELA. What happened with the, 8-1? Yeah, alright, I guess we'll just do XELA. Maybe TRKA as well. Honestly, even XELA is, like, kind of questionable now. Because it was up a lot more, and now it's under 10%. Yeah, so technically, there's not much going on. I guess we'll just do XELA and anything else you guys want me to look at. So, SMFL and VVPR for Mark and anything else. But yeah, not much TA to do today. And then we'll finish up with the YOLOs. How many YOLOs we got? Yeah, we only got 4 YOLOs. And one is a meme. And yeah, so the other 3 should not take too long. So yeah, honestly, we should be out of here pretty early today. Probably within an hour. Yeah, another short and chill show. Well, it depends on how many people come in and chat. And the live rainbow bearing. And so far, there is a lot of chatting. So we'll see if there's any plays. But yeah, probably we're going to go around an hour today. Cool. Alright, guys. So appreciate everyone. Let's get started. And before we begin, please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Does it make sense, lol? 2% day for debt ceiling. NASDAQ is just ripping continuously. Yeah, well, it wasn't 2%, but it was 1.2. And yeah, you know, I couldn't tell you. Market is super irrational these days. But not complaining of, you know, Green Day. Alright, let's do a scan here. Looks like we got something. ICU. There's Blue Apron. APRN. That is mooning on price upgrade. Not going to go for that. But we do have ICU here. Which I also don't know why is mooning. Let me look that up real quick. Man, I guess they had earnings yesterday. Yeah, don't know why ICU is mooning, but that has an aftermarket pop. Yeah, nothing going on just yet, so we will come back to this. Alright. So let's get to the watch list. I have to edit this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? What am I missing? Oh, okay. 5, 6. Alright, we're good. Cool. Alright, let's do it. APR is squeezing. Yeah. Well, it might be a squeeze, it might be a momentum pump, but it is moving post market. I think it's really due because because of a price upgrade. Wouldn't really call it squeezing, but some momentum here on the price upgrade, yes. Alright, let's do my plays today. So I was down. So IMGN up 1.5%, down 65. BLCM up 6.2%, down 250. APLD up 13%, down 475. IMMP shorted that one today, Currently down 240. And then made a couple hundred back on NBXT and GSIT, but those were bags, and I just covered those today for break even. And the only thing I made money on today was JCSE, which I made about probably like 650 bucks on. But overall, yeah, today was red. I think I lost about $1,000. No, 850, almost $1,000. So yeah, I think this is the. I haven't had a losing day in a while. Well, by a while I mean like I had a few consecutive winning days. So, this is how it goes. But that's pretty unfortunate that I lost today while everyone else made. But that's fine. So, yes. As of right now, still holding 4 plays. Let me edit this again. And, yeah, not a bad day. Well, slightly, it was a bad day for me, but not that bad. So, is what it is. Still up for the week. Alright, let me see here. Alright, so still holding 4 plays, all bags. IMGN, BLCM, APLD, and IMMP. Right. Okay. Tech companies do better with low interest rates. More people assuming more rate hikes. Qs have done better than SPY as a result. Cisco has good earnings, 4% pop, then 5% drop, down 2% after hours. Yeah, so that's an example of, earnings anything could happen during earnings. All right, we got something here, WLMS. All right, I guess they had earnings, so we won't go for that. All right, well, yeah, let's move on. Let's get to the watch list. But we'll come back to the live rainbow bearing a little later. All right, I'm gonna take a quick drink here, and we'll get started on the watch list. But Powell really said no rate cuts, and rate pause is data dependent. QQQ being traded on AI is pure BS law. Well, it's not pure AI, but yeah, like I said, nowadays market is super irrational. I really couldn't tell you. And instead of trying to figure out why, I don't care. I just trade it. All right, cool. Let's start on the green side here. Well, let's do the indexes. All right, so the Dow Jones up 1.24%. NASDAQ up 1.22%. And SPY up 1.21%. So, pretty balanced, and yeah, pretty bullish day. VIX is down 6.23%, down 1.12 points. So we're at 16.87 VIX now, which is really good, under 17. Let's take a look at the red side first. Really not much on the red side here. There's like Lordstown, BBIG. Gold is down a lot. Pepsi, Pfizer, Walmart, McDonald's, Costco, Coke. Really not much in the red at all. A few select meme stocks, few select value stocks. But yeah, looks like a really, really bullish day. Onto the green side. So, lots of price action here from the growth. From growth. Looks like crypto is up. Looks like financials are bouncing back pretty nicely. And yeah, Tesla did well, 4.4%. GME 4%. Yeah, financials doing really good. Nvidia 3.3, GM 2.85, Target 2.6. So a lot of value in the green here. I mean, everything's in the green, but big gains on value. Yeah, it looks like everything's up. Oil, tech, financials, Netflix 1.85%, Amazon 1.85. Yeah, Meta 1.5. Everything's in the green. We're not even going to spend too much time here. So, yeah, really, really bullish day. Congrats to the apes. Congrats to the boomers. Should have been some pretty fat tendies. Easy tendies today for the bulls. And not so much for the Rainbow Bears, but even then, it wasn't so bad for the Bears. So, yeah, congrats to everyone. What up, Ken? Anything printing today? Not yet. As of right now, post-market, there's not too much going on. We'll keep an eye on that. Logic has no place here. Qs are going up, and I think we're due for pullback. AI trying to bounce. Regional banks, big bounce today. Yeah, today bullish, tomorrow who knows? Exactly. But hey, I enjoy trading the volatility. Really don't mind. Okay, yeah, still nothing. Alright, let's get on to, what are we doing? Crypto and the news, yes. I did a thing, I'm back in Clover, pray for me, only 100 shares. Can't help yourself, huh? Hey, I don't blame you. What is your entry? What can I ask? What is the purpose of that play? Are you trying to catch a squeeze or a cat bounce or what? You're just having some fun? I'm all for it. I'm just pretty curious. And of course, don't invest or don't gamble anything you can't afford to lose. Clove is up 45% this month. It's gonna rip. Did you just buy it when it was up 45%, or did you catch it below when it was on the way up? Anyway, dude. Yeah. Do us a favor. Post the corn. Whatever it is. Any FD play for today, Ty? I'm not the right person to be asking that, dude. Probably. Every day is FD's play. But I wouldn't know. Go ask Ra or Coco. You're buying the top, obviously. I sure hope not, but hey, yeah, you understand it is a gamble, so yeah, you always got some entertaining plays, dude. Like I said, post corn, whenever you get that. You need FD plays, bro? No, you don't really need FD plays. But if you really must, sure, go ahead. I'm just not going to recommend that or or really support that. All right, let's get started. Still loading, but whatever. Cool. All right, here's crypto. That's up 1.56% today. Just give that the money sound. So, looks like pretty slightly bullish day in crypto. Let's check it out. So, Bitcoin up 1.4%, 1.3%, holding 27K. Binance 1%, XRP is doing pretty good, 5.5, Cardano 3.1, Doge 4.2, nice, 420. I think Elon Musk tweeted something, right? That's why Doge is moving, something like that. Polygon 6.5. Yeah, pretty bullish today. A lot of value. Litecoin 5.6, Solana 2.2. Let's sort this out. I don't really see too much red. I'll be your degen guy. I'll play same day and short-term options. But all kidding aside, even in those plays, risk tolerance is super important. I'll hop back on Discord and post degen plays. All right, cool. Looking forward to it. I have a question. Take a look at Tesla on the 1-minute chart. One of the last candles has 3 million volume and almost zero action. 3 million volume, zero action. What's the deal with that? Well, I mean, there was action. It just didn't. The price didn't move. But let me see what you're referring to. Sure. Let me give me a second. Let me finish up with crypto in the news here. So probably just algos, to be honest. That's what it sounds like. I didn't see it yet, but it sounds like just the algos. 1010 says I show 75k on last minute. Yeah, I'll take a look in a second. All right, so it's on the red side. So yeah, not much in the red at all. We got a whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 coins in the red here. Let's just call it 15% of the coins in the red, but not much price action at all. Biggest loser is Pepe, 3.5%. And not much value at all in the red either, so yeah, really bullish day. Let's just take a look at the green side real quick. Not going to spend too much time here. But yeah, 85% of the coins in the green. We have 4 in the double digits. Render, biggest gainer, 16.5%. And Synthetics, 14. Lido DAO, 12.5. And Optimism, 12.3. And a decent amount of value as well. Yeah, Polygon, Litecoin, XRP, Doge. So, yeah, it's a pretty bullish day in crypto today. So, all around bullish. Bullish day stock market, bullish day crypto. So, congrats to all the apes and the boomers and the bulls. Should have been some fat tendies for you guys today. Did I click the sound? Alright, let's get on to some news. So, oops. Wrong button. My bad, guys. Alright, so today we only got 2 articles, minor stuff. One about BitBoy crypto and one about the debt ceiling. Let's do it. It shouldn't take long at all. So, first article, BitBoy unexpectedly dumps Ben meme token stash for 78k. So, Ben Armstrong, the YouTube influencer known as BitBoy, has sold his Ben tokens for 43 Ethereum less than a week after telling his followers that he is committed to holding them for 6 months to make critics dumb again. Alright, so, yeah, I guess Ben token is his own created token. And yeah, are you surprised? Another example of finance influencer scamming their fans. You know, you make your own coin, you pump it, and then you dump it on them. Typical. But this guy is actually pretty big, so I don't know why he would dump for only 78k. Doesn't even seem worth it to me, you know. You have such a big following, and you did that just to you're gonna demonize them and betray them over 78k. Hey, money will do that to people. Just goes to show he doesn't actually make money from crypto. Or he does, but not the legitimate way. So, yeah, not surprised at all. This guy's been in some lawsuits recently, I think, right? So, YouTube crypto drama. Pretty disgusting, if you ask me. And, yeah, I hope there's some discipline, some repercussions. But, yeah, BitBoy Crypto dumping his meme coin on his fans. And next article, Biden McCarthy says U.S. won't default as debt talks inch forward. Alright, House Speaker Kevin McCarthy told CNBC in an interview that he does not think the U.S. will default on its debt as tense negotiations over the debt ceiling continue. President Joe Biden echoed that sentiment later in remarks from the White House. Leaders are running out of time to raise the debt ceiling before a June 1st deadline when the government is set to run out of money. Alright, so yeah, I've been saying this for a while now. I mean, we've been hearing about this debt ceiling for a couple of months, but I've been saying for a while that in the end, it's probably not going to matter. You know, they'll wait till the last minute and they'll work overtime and they'll get a deal done. That's typically what happens. And if not, then the government will shut down, and even that is not the worst thing. You know, it's what happens every time. So yeah, it looks like we are going to avert a debt, a default as of right now. Not confirmed yet, but yeah, looking pretty good for now. Cool. All right, that's all the news for today. Let me pull up the YOLOs here while we do the TA and some more rainbow bearing. All right, you guys are saying boot. Boot, bro. Boot bad earnings. Well, this is only the moon. The upside here. Yeah, boot down. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Yeah, earnings, and it's tanking about 15% here. Shorted? Alright, good luck, man. Alright, so, yeah, nothing else is really going on. Post-market here. XELA is up. Alright, let's look at Tesla real quick. You're gonna short bought a month out? Alright, we'll look at that one too. Let me see what you're talking about this 1 minute candle here. Alright, yeah, I see what you're talking about. Yeah, so this is right before close. Yeah, you're right. Very, very, very odd. I mean, I'm just assuming it's the end of the day and the algos, probably just real people and the algos just dumping their positions before the market closed. It was just like a mad rush to exit, you know. That's what I can assume. You know, no one really knows, but that's what it seems like. Just all the algos and all the traders exiting their positions for the day. No price action though, but yeah, a lot of volume. All right, let's do XELA. Only one we're gonna do today. It is popping post market. I don't know why. Well, oh, they fixed the chart. Okay, because we couldn't analyze this for a little bit. Okay. So XELA, a lot of volume again. And, but it's coming down, so that makes me believe that this is losing momentum. Alright, so RSI is at 49, so actually this current price of around $7 is fair market value, according to the RSI. MACD is about to reverse. It's neutral right now, but about to reverse to the upside. Aftermarket action is bullish. Gap got filled. 890. There's another gap here at 890, so actually, did it get there today? No, it didn't. So this honestly probably has a little more run in it. There's a gap at 890, so decent chance it comes back up to 890. And then there's a cup and handle at 12. So unlikely, but this may run up to 12 in the short term. I think 12 is probably the ceiling here. But I think 890 is pretty realistic. Anyway, so yes, this is a meme stock, and obviously, fundamentally, it's trash. You should not long-term buy and hold this. That's really not an investment. More like a straight-up gamble that has not been going so well so far. But yeah, so this one, I wouldn't short it. Well, you know what? I can't say that. I personally wouldn't short it because this already got beaten down so hard, and you know, it's not the greatest entry. I would short it on a squeeze or something, but yeah, here at 665, not really worth it to me. And at the same time, not really worth it to go long either, because this probably will keep continuing to this will continue to pull back and continue to get shorted. So yeah, in the longer term, well, in the short and long term, I do expect this to sell off and pull back, but this has a decent chance of going up to 890 in the short term and maybe even 12, but unlikely this goes to 12. But I do believe this will keep popping for a day or two more, maybe a few days. So immediate short term, it does look bullish, so maybe you can make a quick scalp here on the long side, but yeah, longer term, definitely bearish, so kind of a gamble right now. I'd stay away. But as of right now, in the moment right now, I guess going long can be appropriate, and but as soon as you make some money, you know, get out. This is a quick scalp on the long side right now, or a longer term short. But yeah, XELA probably just a bounce here, cat bounce. So pumping still has some momentum, but should start to pull back soon. All right. So what else are we gonna do? So let's look at Bud and VVPR and the other one for Mark. Yeah, I think Ken is trolling, guys. The guy trolls all the time, so I think he's joking. Gotta be careful, Ken. You know, there's times to troll and there's times not to troll. You got him this time. I don't think there's actually $2 dividend. All right, you're gonna short Bud. Let's look at Bud. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button, please. Thank you. All right. Oh, this is Budweiser. Yeah. Wow, crazy chart. So yeah, this already did dump a lot. RSI is at 27 right now, so this is probably not a good time to short at this price. Sentence says if it breaks 58, it got room to go down to 54, 55. Yeah, so this is a value stock, you know, so you're not gonna get any like significant price action from this. So there's that. First of all, don't expect to make any like huge amounts of money shorting this. And then yeah, second of all, it already gotten beaten down from 67 down to 59 now, and according to the RSI, this is oversold and undervalued right now. So, and there is some pretty critical support here at 58. Yes, so just my opinion, not financial advice. I actually don't think shorting at this price is a good idea. To be honest, probably going long is a good idea. So yeah, in a month we could reevaluate this and see where the price is. But in this very moment, I would not recommend going short on this stock. I think it's too late for that. Okay. And then what are we doing? SMFL and VVPR. Okay. All right. So SMFL. So I tried shorting this. I did not get the shares. Maybe they'll give it to me tomorrow. But yes, popping on good PR, I believe. So it's already pulling back post market, so that's bearish. RSI 44. And yeah, gap got filled and gap up today. So I think this one's pretty straightforward. This is probably gonna pull back down to 240, where the gap up is. Yeah, big volume today. That's gonna pull back, lose momentum. Gap up at 240. So this will probably come back down to 240. Already showing signs of weakness. So I mean, it's a decent. So I certainly wouldn't go long. And it's a decent short play, not the best entry at 335, but there is about 40% downside here. Or my bad, not 40%, but almost 30%. So yeah, I can support going short at the current price and covering at 240, and that should be some pretty easy tendies on the downside here. So yeah, just pop on PR. Apes jumped in, but yeah, starting to sell off, starting to get shorted. So if you're currently in, I'd hit the sell button, take the profits. And if you're not, I think going short is a pretty decent play right now. Would not go long. All right, and VVPR. So this one, I'm out of this one, but what is going on here? Looks like it's consolidating. Yeah, it could be a symmetrical triangle forming here, like this, and even a bull flag. Yeah, probably more of a symmetrical triangle than a bull flag. But yeah, so this looks like it's consolidating between like 6.4 and or 64 cents and 50 cents right now. So maybe this will consolidate around 55, 57 ish, and so it'll take a little bit longer. You know, maybe a couple days, maybe even a couple of weeks. But yeah, this is consolidating. So don't expect the most price action coming up here, but eventually, pretty soon, this should break out significantly, either way, to the upside or the downside. Can't really say, because, yeah, this isn't a descending or ascending triangle. It's a asymmetrical triangle. So, anyway, yeah. So for the next few days / weeks, expect consolidation around 57, I would say. And then after that, it should break out. Expect big price action either way on this one. Okay. So, yeah, that's all the TA for today, guys. So let's do another scan here, and then let's get out of here after the YOLOs. So, yeah, nothing going on post-market, price action-wise, still. So, last order of business, let's just finish up with our YOLOs. What time is it? 4:44. So, yeah, we're probably going to go less than an hour. Really short show today. That's cool. Alright, gonna take a sip here, and let's finish up with our 4 YOLOs. Should be out of here in like 5-10 minutes. Probably 10 minutes. Alright. Still, guys. So today, only 4 YOLOs. One meme, and 3 actual YOLOs. But yeah, this shouldn't take too long. Not too much content on Wall Street bets these days, but pulled out the best ones. Let's do it. First one by Tony Liberty. Inverse Kramer, Home Depot, HD. May 9th versus May 16th. So, May 9th. Why betting on Home Depot could be a win right now, according to Jim Cramer. And May 16th, yesterday, Home Depot posts worst revenue miss in about 20 years, lowers forecast as consumers delay big projects. Yeah, our man Jim Cramer at it again. He continues to get it wrong. Over and over again. So, yeah, should have loaded up on puts when he said this. And what a printed. Yeah, Jim Cramer strikes again. Alright, let's get to some YOLOs here. This is a meme by A Zavant. How many Unity U purchases in November 2021 has been going for me? So, it's been over 2 years. 2 years and a half. 2.5 years. So, I guess it was at... The high was 200 in January 2022. Which was the high of everything, actually. And in the past year and a half, it's down to 30. So, quite the sell-off here. Now, I don't know how good of a stock Unity is, but yes, go. Yeah, should have sold, but yeah, I don't even know. I'm not gonna comment on it if this is a good investment or not. Really can't say. But yeah, that sucks. That sucks a lot. Big pullback here. What, 80%? More than 80%? 90%? So, yes, sometimes even when you don't ape, you get wrecked. Good. But, nice drawing here. Falling off a cliff. Nice. So, A Savant, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. But, yeah. It's not lost corn, but, nice little chart here. A nice drawing. Appreciate that. Alright, next one by Shop Fast Wear. YOLO SoFi calls. Doesn't even say what the position is. He should have showed his position. Yeah, but he says SoFi calls. Today he's up 12K, 24%. Yeah, I just wish we had the position here. But yeah, if you're up 24% overall, you should probably sell. But yeah, this is I'm assuming this is just straight up luck. Lotto tickets, Robinhood Ape, and yeah, at this point, you know, I can only assume, but I'm gonna say hit the sell button. Don't get too greedy. Cash in your gains. Total luck, and you know, be smart. But he's probably gonna diamond hands and lose everything, as usual. But yeah, congrats on the 12K gain here on SoFi today. All right, last one by Heisenberg. You only need to be right once. All right, so yeah. So this is another Robin Hooder. Crazy chart here. So I guess he had money, deposited money, started trading options, lost a lot, quit for a while, tried again, lost pretty much everything, and then one last YOLO, one last hoorah, and he actually is in the green again. $38 in the green all time. Yeah. All right, so at this point, dude, probably just stop. Just stop. You're in the green again on a miracle, and you know, seems like you have a problem with degenerate gambling here. And walk away while you're in the green, dude. Because if you go back, you will actually, you won't be so lucky next time. I can pretty much promise you that. But yeah, look at that chart. Wow. Moon, and to be continued. But yeah, I just walk away and, you know, consider myself lucky. What were the plays? Nvidia. Looks like Nvidia. Nvidia calls. Yep, just got really lucky on Nvidia calls. So, yep, sometimes you only need to be right once. You got it right once, you got lucky, back in the green. Stop doing stupid stuff. So Heisenberg, thanks for posting. Congrats on your $38 gain overall. Glad you're out of the hole. And yeah, you know, probably just not do it again. Hope you learned from your lesson. Alright, cool. So yeah, that's all the YOLOs for today. And that's the show for today. So let's just do one more scan, see if anything is going on, and then let's get out of here. TTWO might be a good short for tomorrow. That is a tattoo chef, right? If I'm not mistaken. We'll look at that real quick. But post market here looks like still nothing going on. Yeah, not much action at all. Slow day today. So if anything else happens, oh, it's not Tattoo Chef. It's Take Two Interactive. If anything else happens, I'll put it in Discord. Yeah, this is more of a value stock. Not really my not really my type of stock to short. I like shorting, meme stocks, penny stocks. This is more of a legit boomer stock, so can be a good short. But this is like a pretty safe short, not a ape degen big price action short like I like going for. Um, but all right, cool. Yeah, guys. So that is the show for today. So less than 1 hour, 50 minutes. Really, really short show. But yeah, not much going on today. Not much price action, rainbow bearing, news. Yeah, not much going on today at all. And really, all year it's been kind of slow. But yeah, guys, appreciate everyone. A lot of people came today. A lot of chatting. Thank you guys as always. So if anything else happens, I'll put it in Discord, and I'll catch you guys back here tomorrow. Yeah, cool. All right, let's get out of here, guys. TTWO at decent earnings. Announced Grand Theft Auto date. What is that? Offering date? All right, cool. All right, so once again, appreciate everyone. Let's get out of here. Catch you guys tomorrow and on Discord. All right. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.